Hello everyone. I hope that every one of you is well and safe at your homes. So, there is a picture on your screen. Can you see it? Good. Now, tell me, what is the girl in the picture doing? Yes, the girl is clapping. Now, there is another picture on your screen. So, tell me, what is the girl doing in this picture? Yes, very good. The girl is jumping. Now, let us move on to the next picture. Tell me, what is the child doing here? Good, very good. The child is swimming. Okay, children, now we will move on to the next picture. So, tell me, what is the child doing here? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. The child is eating an ice cream. So, children, all of these actions we do in our daily lives. So, students, today I bring you a fun poem that has similar actions that we just saw. And the name of the poem is Action Song, which is from NCERT Class 2 book Raindrops Chapter 1. So, let us start our poem. Ring the bell and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Ring the bell and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Come on everyone, sing with me. Ring the bell and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Ring the bell and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Wave your hand and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Wave your hand and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Stamp your feet and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Stamp your feet and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Turn around and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Turn around and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. So, children, will you repeat with me? So, let us start. Ring the bell and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Ring the bell and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Wave your hand and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Wave your hand and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Stamp your feet and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Stamp your feet and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Turn around and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Turn around and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. So, children, did you like this poem? Very good. I also like this poem. So, let us get to our activity. So, let us start our activity number 1. Let us learn the actions mentioned in this poem. So, children, let us start our first activity. That is, let us learn the actions mentioned in the poem. Our first action is clap. So, children, can you clap with me? Very good. So, now let us clap one time. Now, 2 times. Now, let us all clap for 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Very well done. So, now children, let us move on to our second action. That is ring the bell. Now, have you seen or heard the bell or the sound of bell? Where have you heard it? Yes, children, we must have heard the sound of bell in our schools or in temples or in church or somewhere else. So, now let us move on to our next action, that is sing. So, children, can you sing with me? Now, let us sing one paragraph of this poem. So, can you sing for me? Or you can sing for your family members or with your family members. Now, let us move on to our next action, that is wave your hand. Can you do it with me? Now, wave your hands. Good, very good. Now, let us go on to our next action, that is stamp your feet. So, children, can you stamp your feet? Good. Now, stamp your left feet. Good. Now, stamp your right feet. Very good. Now, let us go on to our next action, that is turn around. Can you turn around? Good. Now, turn around on your left. Very good. Now turn around on your right. Very good. Very well done. Now let us go on to our next activity, that is new words. Now our first new word is turn around. Let us spell it. T-U-R-N, turn. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Turn around. Now, can you read this sentence with me? Good. So, let us read. She likes to turn around. Good. Now, can you repeat this with me? She likes to turn around. Very good. Now, let us move on to our next word. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Can you see the picture here? What is the girl doing? Yes, the girl is singing. Now, let us read the sentence. Ritu is singing a song. Can you repeat this with me? Good. Ritu is singing a song. Very good. Now, let us move on to our next word. That is wave your hand. Now, let us spell it out. W-A-V-E, wave. Y-O-U-R, your. H-A-N-D, hand. Wave your hand. Can we repeat this? Good. Now again, W-A-V-E, wave. Y-O-U-R, your. H-A-N-D, hand. Wave your hand. So now let us move on to our next word. That is feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Can you see the picture here? Good. Now tell me, what is the girl doing here? Yes, very good. The girl is stamping her feet. Now, let us read the sentence. She is stamping her feet. Children, we have done this action before when we were learning our actions. So children, we have learnt some new words and some actions. So now let us move on to our next activity. Activity number 2, that is match the following. So children, can you see some words and pictures on your screens? Good. Now let us read our first word, that is clap. Can you see anyone clapping here? Good. Now can you match it for me? Very good. The two children are clapping here. Now let us move on to our next word. Sing. Can you see any picture where someone is singing? Good. Now can you match it with the word? Very good. Now let us go on to our next word. Turn around. Can you see anyone turning around in the picture? Good. Now can you match it with the picture? Very good. Very well done. Okay children, so now we just learnt some actions and matched them with their names. Now let us move on to our next activity. Activity number 3. Think of some other actions to accompany this song and perform, like jump, run, skip, read, dance, etc. So, my dear children, let us see an example of this activity. Can you see this? We have just made another paragraph for the poem. Can you read it with me? Good. Now, repeat after me. Jump and clap, 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 clap. Jump and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Can you repeat this one more time with me? Good. Jump and clap, 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 clap. Jump and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. So, children, did you enjoy this activity? Good. Now, you can make your own poem with new words and new actions, and you can perform this in front of anyone. So, let us do something fun at our homes. So, let us move on to our fun time. Now, you all can recite this poem in front of your family members with all the actions and enjoy it. So, children, I hope that you enjoyed this activity as well. So, today here we recited a poem, and the name of our poem was, yes, Action Song. And after reciting this poem, we did some activities as well. Can you tell me what activities we performed today? Now, finally, we made a new poem with our new words. And after that, we performed some actions that you can also perform with your parents or your friends or your siblings. So, I hope that you enjoyed all of this and you will share this with everyone. Thank you.